Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix dead zone on your PlayStation 5 controller. First, ensure your console's software is fully up to date. Outdated software can cause various glitches. Also, verify your controller has a strong, stable connection, especially if you are using it wirelessly. Sometimes, simply reconnecting your controller can resolve minor input issues and improve responsiveness. This initial step is crucial for troubleshooting. Keeping both your PlayStation 5 console and its controller updated prevents many common performance issues. Head to your system settings, then select System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings to check for the latest console version. For your controller, connect it via a USB cable, and the system might prompt you to update its firmware. These updates often include important bug fixes that can directly address dead zone problems. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve persistent dead zone issues. Locate the tiny reset button on the back of your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller near the Sony logo. Use a small, thin object, like an unfolded paperclip, to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. After releasing it, reconnect your controller to the console via a USB cable and power it back on. This process often recalibrates the internal sensors. After cooking, the most crucial step is letting your steak rest. Immediately transfer the cooked skirt steak to a clean cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes, letting the juices redistribute throughout the meat. Before slicing, carefully identify the grain of the steak. It often runs perpendicular to the length of the cut. Slice the steak very thinly against that grain to ensure every single bite is incredibly tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.